Which reasons can be to repair used car, particularly now, right now in 2024? Probably the same reasons which you have before, but now you decided to do the new project and repair car again. Probably another car you want to find for repair and enjoy this process again. Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. And now, probably if you have this old car, you want to repair this car. I don't know, maybe you decided to buy. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing. I mean, used car you want to buy to repair. Probably you have not enough money to buy to go to dealer center and buy the brand new car. Probably you can realize that these cars go to the fence and you know that they will be not so expensive as you go and buy them from the dealer, probably on the market when you can buy from another person's this car, which but question will be why they decided to selling these cars. Probably this is not so good cars. And here is was their reasons. This is more appeal reason to buy all cars because they proven with time. If this car was not broken under warranty, that means nothing. Probably after 3 years of using this car was not broken, but after 5 years this will be absolutely bucket, rusty old bucket, and you never know this bucket stuffed with a bunch of electronic. So you never know when these things can go out. And will be better to buy a really old car if you want to buy a used car. You don't want to go to dealer stations to sell these really expensive prices, 45, 50 grand. So this unaffordable for average guys. So it will be better to buy a used car and repair it by our own hands and spend money for tools which you can use the rest of your life, these tools. But cars have a really limited longevity, especially today. Who knows where they was assembled? Yes, you can figure it. You see these letters, these codes, and you can realize what means the first letter, and you can guess where this car goes from. Not will be better to buy a car when this was produced and built originally. I mean, Volvo will be better to buy when Volvo was produced in Sweden, like my Volvo. All these my Volvos was produced in Sweden. Yes, now you can buy a Volvo made in China. Probably this will be a really reliable car. I don't know. These shows will be by time. You need for a while to testing this. We don't want to these pigs which have experience to check something which not was so famous things. But I can't trust these new things. I don't want to be these guinea pigs to testing anything and to continue using this stuff. I prefer these cars which was proved by years, and I want to buy these cars which was used, but I have no enough money to buy new cars to go to dealer centers, and probably you the same situation. You don't want to go to deep debts and go and check these cars
used cars with mechanic. You want to go to buy these cars with mechanic and check this car, go all through these faults, and you realize the condition of the car and how they look, not only from long distance. You want to open the hood and look under which frame condition is, now cars not frames separate. You can separate the frame and change the frame and body welded together. Nobody want to replace your frame because the frame weight car a little bit worse gas mileage will be with car with frame. But if you want your car will last forever, you want to buy car with reliable frame. Trucks now produced, and now they're producing the trucks with frame. So you want reliable car, you don't care about this gas mileage. You want to buy a reliable car which can last forever. Yes, you will pay a little bit more for gas, but you want to save money for buying new car after 10 years. After this period of time, cars falls apart. This is thin metal and rusty, salty roads can chewing this metal. But frame cars with frame will be more reliable, so more better to buy used car, proven with time, and you see to this car more closely when you buy car. So this is the reason in 2024 to repair car. If you buy this car, if you save this car, if you treasure your car, this is a really good reason to repair used car in 2024. And me, I'm also continue to repair my cars by years. I want to repair this. I want to planning to repair a lot of stuff in cars, not only in 2024. I want to repair, and I never going to buy cars. Will be enough for me. Two old cars will be enough. Thing is that one car you want to repair, you want to enjoy with this car, you walking with car, and another car just for riding around to enjoy the trips. You want to go to grocery, you want to go to lake, you want to riding around on your neighborhood and just enjoy by steering, by handling of your old car. And you continue riding, and one car will be in the garage. Not only in 2024, I'm planning to continue this restoration process, but if any guy want to repair a car, he want to go and buy this car especially for repair, but will be better to buy more simpler, more better for repair car. You don't want to scratching your head what wrong with this electronic, and this is very dangerous, and this is annoying. This is very harmful effect for nervous system. Yes, you don't want to be nervous, and you want to get gray hairs like you can notice that first glance will be enough. This old mechanic with gray hairs.
Now, if you want to say anything about this topic, please do in the comments box, and I think a lot of guys will be interesting about your thoughts, including me, and I'll answer to your message as soon as I finish to smoking my cigar. Now, if you really like my videos, please share it with your friends.